Hey friends, welcome to channel Data with Hannah. Today I am going to show you how to create a map with a spatial file in Tableau. Now you might be wondering what is a spatial file. A spatial file is simply a geographical data. It will provide us those kinds of information that will help us to identify locations of features and boundaries on Earth. And we can find these kinds of informations in the formats of GDB, SHP, GeoJSON, JSON, and so on. So without wasting any time, let's go and create our map. But first, let me show you what we will create. This is the map of Afghanistan that I am going to create today. In this map, you can see that we have each province separately with the number of families affected due to some natural disasters that happened last year. Now let's go and create this map. This is the dataset that I'm going to use today. In this dataset, you can see that we have the disaster site, region, provinces, districts, and also number of families affected due to each disasters. And at the last, you can see that we have the province P code, and we will use this column to join our dataset with the spatial file. Now let's go and create. Okay, I have opened Tableau Public. Now let's go and connect to my data. My data is an Excel file, so I will click on Excel file. Here, this is my data. Click on Open. Now let's go and add my other data source, which is the spatial file that I'm going to use, Afghanistan spatial file, open. And here you can see that I have three levels of information: admin 0, admin 1, and admin 2, which is the Afghanistan country, admin 1, which is the province level, and admin 2, which is the district level. I will use admin 1, which is the province level. Open it. Again, here we will choose the admin 1, drag and drop it. Now here I want to join these two datasets. First one is my dataset, and in my dataset, if you remember, we had a column named province P code. We will use that one, and in the spatial file, we have here admin 1 P code. Choose these two fields and let's go and create our map. Here you can see that this is the spatial file that we added, and this is my own dataset. In the spatial file, here we have a geometry field. Click on this geometry field, drag and drop it into the field. It will simply show us the provinces of Afghanistan on map. When I hover my mouse on top of the map, this will highlight all of it at once, but I don't want it to be like this. So let's go and add admin 1 name English into details. Now you can see when I hover on it, it will show me each province separately. That was all about creating map with a spatial file. Now I will go and add my own data and showcase it on top of this map, and also add a little bit of formatting on it. For that, let's go and drag and drop these families affected into color. Also, I want the province's name to be on the labels, and also the number of families affected into the labels. Now let's change the color of the map. Edit the color and change the sequence to blue. Also, I want the border of it to be white. And the label, I want to format it a little bit. I want the sum of families to be a little larger and also bold. I want both of these to be the dark gray color. And I also want the sum of the families affected to be in between parentheses. Apply and OK. Now let's go to the map and background layers. I want the background of it to be a little bit lighter. So I will wash it out a little bit. That's it. We just created a map in Tableau with a spatial file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.